Hello there and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to give you guys an update on my chair. Now this is the Secretlab Titan 2020 series. If you've been following the channel, I actually released two other videos on this chair. My first one, I gave you guys an overview of it, and in my second video, I gave you guys some updates on some of the problems that I had with this chair, specifically a problem with the piston, the foam in the seat pad as well. Now this week, Secretlab have released a couple of updates for their chairs, and they've released a new Black Softweave material, and this has sort of prompted me into giving you guys an update about the material mine is, which is the black PU leather 2.0 version, because I've seen a number of people post comments about it in the comments of my video and ask me if I have had any issues with mine, and actually the answer to that question is yes. Now what I'm going to do is just quickly explain to you what the problems I've actually got with it, because I'm looking at changing this for one of those new black Softweave material chairs. Actually, I'm thinking of changing it to that. Anyway, to explain the problems that I've had with this chair, I would check out my other videos if you haven't seen them first, but today's one is around the PU leather. Now, some people have asked, have I had any peeling, cracking, flaking, or anything like that? And as I've said, the answer to that is actually yes. I do have a problem with the PU leather on mine. Specifically, I'm getting some peeling on the front right-hand corner of the chair, so it's down on this front side. Now, just to be 100% clear, I am not saying this is actually a direct fault of Secretlab or the material, because it could actually be to do with the way I'm getting into the chair, and I'll explain that a little bit more in a minute. But I have seen some issues with the PU leather is peeling down this front right-hand corner. Now, that is the only place on this chair that I have seen an issue with the PU leather. I have no cracking anywhere else, I have no peeling or anything, but I am getting, as the material moves around the front of the chair on the right hand side where it is stitched, it has begun to peel in a couple of places, and the surface PU leather material has come off, and I can now see the white material below. It is only, as I've said, on this right hand side, and it goes all the way down in a couple of places down to the front corner as well. And what is strange about this is that it is all on one place on my chair. It isn't anywhere else. It's not on the main seat pan. It's not on the left hand side either. It is only on this right hand side. Now, the reason for this could actually be the way I'm getting into the chair, because when I'm using it up here in my office, I've been spending a lot of time in it of late because of the recent lockdown, but I always get into this chair from the right hand side. I'm always coming in from this way because I'm not doing most of my work here. I actually do it over there, and most of the time I'm sitting this way, and I get into the chair this direction from the main door, which is over there. And the reality is, it could be that my trousers have been rubbing it as I've been coming in and plonking myself down in the chair. Now, it is disappointing to have an issue with this PU leather because it looks absolutely fantastic, but in my opinion it is not as strong as proper leather, and it is not as strong as the Napa leather option that they offer as well. Now, as I did say at the start, this is the PU leather 2.0 version of the chair as well. It is the newer version, so it isn't the original stuff too. As I said at the start of this video, Secretlab have actually released some updates to their chairs this week, and they've released a new Black Softweave. Now, the Softweave was available when I ordered this one, which is the standard Titan material. However, I didn't like the blue material that it was made of. This new black, though, looks very, very nice, and I am thinking of selling this chair and ordering myself the Black Softweave material, because I think it's probably going to suit my needs better. Obviously, the world has changed since I originally ordered this chair, and I'm now spending a lot more time in it than I was before. And to be honest, I don't find the PU leather sweaty. I don't find it uncomfortable, even in hot conditions, but I do think the Softweave might be a better option for me, considering the issue that I have begun to see with the PU leather on the front right hand corner. Now, I have not spoke to Secretlab about this. I have not putting a warranty claim and nothing like that, because as I said at the start, I'm not going to out and out say it isn't a result of the way I've been getting into the chair. However, what is disappointing is that, in my opinion, the PU leather is still not as strong as traditional leather, and if you're going to get yourself a PU leather one, it is something that you should be aware of, that it is a lot more sensitive than some of the other materials out there, in my opinion. Now, if you'd like to support the channel, or you would like to get yourself a Titan or an Omega or one of the Secretlab chairs, there is a link to them in the description of this video. To be 100% open and clear, it is an affiliate link as well. However, in my videos, I have always tried to be as open and honest about this chair as I have always been. I purchased this chair with my own money. There was no discount. It was not sent to me. So the feedback that I am giving you is based on my experience as a user and not someone who was sent their chair for free. I do love the chair. I think it's absolutely fantastic, but it doesn't come without its faults, in my opinion. They are not perfect, and they are a little bit disappointing at times, considering they are a premium chair. However, just because I've had issues doesn't mean you will. Every use case is different. But if you are interested in getting one, please do check out the links in the description. As I said, I am very, very close to ordering one of these black ones, and I think I might put this one up on Facebook and see what I can get for it. And then what I will do is, if I do that, I will give you guys a review of it. I will tell you what I think about the new Black Softweave, and just like I did with this one, I will give you my long-term thoughts on the chair as well. That is it for this video. If you've liked this content, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the little bell next to it as well. That way you will receive updates if I do get a new chair, and I talk to you guys about that one as well. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will release another one again soon.